guys, welcome back to Tupike African YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode we're going to be cooking. Rather, I will be sharing my big purchase with you, and also we're going to unbox it and also maybe give a little bit of some reviews. Okay, yeah. So okay, it was my first blender. It was a Ramtons. As you can see, it was in the store. This Ramtons had stayed for 6 years, so the service was perfect. I will rate this a 10 out of 10 Ramtons. Okay, this is the old version. You remember the blenders that never used to come with these grinders, yeah. And then the next one is Savia. So I will rate this maybe a 2 or 1 out of 10. To me, it was not good. First of all, the glass it's very weak, okay. And then it also came with a grinder. So both of these were summing up to 2,500 Kenyan shillings, and it was not good. As you can see, even this grinder, it had already stopped working, and then the glass is too fragile, okay. So personally, I would not advocate for this, okay. Yes, so this motivated me to get this, okay. This one was a gift, and I really thank God that, guys, imagine I have a juicer, blender, and a grinder from a very good company, okay. Yes, so let's unbox this together. I've never handled a juicer before. I've just had blenders and a grinder, okay. Yeah, so let's unbox this together. So yeah, I'm really thankful to God. Imagine God has given me the desires of my heart, okay. So I just told a special person to me that I would want to have a juicer one day when I get rich, but oh, God knew that I'm already rich. And so I was gifted this. I'm so happy, by the way. And thank you so much to the person who gifted me this. God always bless you. So, hey, my God. By the way, I think I should show you what, when you open, how you see it. So this is the box up close, okay. So it is a Ramtons juicer, blender, and a grinder. 1 year guarantee. And then when you open, when you unbox, this is what you're going to find, okay. So let's continue with unboxing, okay. So let's start the unboxing process, and I'm very, very happy, okay. Please note. Oh, by the way, so this is a blender. It's a glass blender. I've never experienced a glass blender, guys. You guys should continue supporting me so that I shouldn't be perplexed by seeing such, but hey, I'm so happy. So this is how it is. Don't know whether you can see the calibrations. I think you can see them. Imagine it looks so durable, guys. Ramtons is the key, okay. Just love Ramtons. And then what is this? This is a grinder, guys. Do you know how many recipes I've been putting away? Because I've been just editing the recipes, because as you've seen, the grinder that I had, it was not giving. So, and it's also glass, so I think you can also like grind even hot things. Bye bye, proven. Okay, so, and then we have this manual. I don't know whether you can see it. We have a manual there. Oh my God, I'm so happy, guys. I cannot believe that we're unboxing something in this channel. So let's continue. So subscribe, guys. You see, we're unboxing things in this channel. Who would have thought? So this just this cord is always here. I want everything intact. This thing costed me millions. It costed the buyer. So also just lift this up. Just lift this and this. So this is the glass. Where you can also see, where you also put in your fruits so that you can juice them. But so this is a juicer. This is a juicer. I can't believe you can see the dream come true. And also, so we have this. I want to make sure they know how to pull it, but my god. So you have this. Then this brush. This brush is for washing, and then we have this one is for compressing our fruits. Okay, so it's like this. You just press in your fruits. This is for washing. Just put it, and then you light everything up so that it can rotate, and you wash this sieve perfectly. Okay, then we just have this and this. Okay, so by the way, when you want to blend, just use this. When you want to grind that, when you want to juice, just do this. Okay, so this is just everything that we have. Our box is empty, and guys, I'm so happy, and I really thank God. Imagine now have this. I'm going to place it in a very good place because I don't want them to break. Remember, they are so fragile. Okay, so guys, comment down below on your favorite types of smoothies, drinks, juices. Okay, and I really appreciate you guys for always supporting me. I pray that you may also continue supporting me. May God bless you. Bye bye. And also don't forget to watch the ads, okay? And also always watch my videos till the end, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below.